Hi guys, it's week 3 in Developmental Literacy Lab 3041. This week, the component of a balanced literacy classroom that we're going to look at is interactive writing. This is where the teacher and the children share the pen. They're writing on chart paper to create a large text that they can read over and over again in shared reading or independent reading. We often see interactive writing in primary classrooms, kindergarten, first and second grade, even maybe pre-K. But it also has an important role in the intermediate grades. So as you read the articles and watch the videos this week, begin thinking about the components you see within the lessons and how you can implement those into your own work. There is an excerpt from Stan Swartz's book, Interactive Writing and Interactive Editing, that I would like you to take some time and read. At the end of the week, you will be able to create and teach an interactive writing lesson with one student. These videos are excellent videos to watch. Okay, let's see what else is happening this week. Lots of supplemental resources for you to look at. I have a couple reading assignments this week, which I believe they're both from Reading Rockets. One is Interactive Writing by Carol Cox. The second reading assignment is also from Reading Rockets, Extending Interactive Writings into Grades 2 through 5 by Kate Roth and Joan Dabrowski. Video guidelines. Please remember these guidelines. I hope that you were successful in recording your first video with your student. Your videos are due no later than Saturday at 11:59 for the week that they're due. And again, it's highly recommended to upload it a few days early so that you can troubleshoot any technical problems that you may have. Please remember professionalism, quality, and length. I stop watching at 10 minutes. It's always a good idea to preview your work before posting it. Here is the rubric for the interactive writing assignment. Do you have a clear understanding of the process? Are the activities appropriate for the target age? Is your lesson plan complete? And how well did you implement the lesson? Discussion forum is using all the information you have gained regarding the interactive writing process. Create and teach a lesson to your selected case study participant. You may teach your lesson to multiple children if you feel comfortable doing that. Use the attached lesson plan form to plan your lesson. Remember to be explicit. Be explicit with your objectives. Videotape yourself teaching this lesson and post the lesson to the discussion board and the video on YouTube. Here is the lesson plan template. By the end of the lesson, the student will be able to locate and write high frequency words or be able to appropriately space between words. What will your specific focus during this lesson be? Is it mechanics? Is it phonemic awareness? Is it writer's craft? Then you're going to reflect on how well the lesson went and what you feel you could improve. If you have questions about interactive writing, please ask me. Interactive writing is one of my favorite activities to do with K through 2 kids. It's a lot of fun. They learn a lot, and I always learn a lot. So again, please don't hesitate to email me. Thank you.